Hello and welcome to the Bitesize Piano Course. So this is something I've been working on for over the past year and a half on and off, and it's finally finished and it's finally ready to share with you guys. So let me tell you a bit about the course and what you can expect from it. I have over 10 years of teaching experience. I've taught probably hundreds now of people. This was a book that I wrote several years ago that I've made even better into a course video format. It is geared towards beginners, or if you used to study music and you want like a refresher course, it should be suitable for you. And I take you up to the standard of about grade 3 level, and as the course title suggests, we are just very much laying the foundations of music notation. So it's solely focused on reading music, studying music notation, understanding it, and I do my best to explain it and illustrate it and demonstrate it in ways that I've been used to explaining it to my actual students. There are 30 lessons. I could have made many more videos, like much shorter ones, but I wanted the lessons to feel like lessons, like real piano lessons. So we generally don't just cover one topic in one video lesson. We may cover a few topics, and this is generally what you would find and expect if you go to a piano lesson with a piano teacher. You generally cover a few different things in the space of from half an hour to an hour. So I wanted it to feel more like that. So with each lesson, you get the PDF lesson material that's covered in each lesson, so you can print it out and you can place it in a folder, and also so you can make your own annotations on there as well. The aim of this course as well is to try and cover a range of genres and topics, dive behind the theory of things as well, so hopefully you won't be left not understanding something, and we'll learn lots of great pieces of music along the way, focusing on scales as well and technical exercises. I have composed many of the pieces myself, and you should also recognise loads of them in the course as well. There's some great pieces of classical music at the about grade 2-3 standard that we'll look at and go through, and there are many pieces of music that I haven't covered on my channel because I wanted to reserve them for this course. So although they're longer lessons, I still break down the topics into bite-sized chunks. And remember, you can pause the video at any time, you can re-watch the videos. You also have the option to purchase the course in 2 halves. So you get the first 15 lessons for part 1, or you can purchase the second half after if you just didn't want to commit to the whole course all in one. So I'm so glad that it is finally out there. I hope that you get a lot from it and that you enjoy it. Hopefully it should give you a really good just foundation in which to build upon.